How to create YouTube shorts from long videos. On your laptop, make sure that you have installed the CapCut application. Firstly, open the CapCut application on your device. Make sure that you already have a long video edited. As you can see here, this video is almost 10 minutes long. Now I'm just gonna export this video. To do that, click on the export option on the top right corner. Once the video is exported, you will see a menu like this. As you can see, the short is generating. There's also a section called Long Videos to Shorts. Click on that section. Now another menu like this will open. At the bottom left corner, it says that it will need 10 minutes to generate the shorts. You can also see a section called Set Duration for Shorts. You can set this at auto or you can give them a specific time frame. Right now it's taking the full video for short generation. You can also crop the video to make it shorter. Once you have done all the adjustments, click on Convert. It will take 10 minutes to generate the short. After the short is generated, you can simply export it to your files. Additionally, you can also edit the generated short. This is just a pro feature, so it may not be available for free. That's all for today. Thank you.